Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 3rd and Lecture 55 Machining and Working Principle of the Drilling Machines. Continue. Agenda for today present in this video the milling machine and the working principle of the milling machine and types of milling machine. The milling machine The milling is the machine operation in which the removal of metal from the workpiece take to place due to the rotating cutter. Tools cutter when the work is feed past it. The cutter has multi-point cutter The cutter has multiple cutting its and rotate at the very fast rate. The rotating cutting tools known as the milling cutter. Milling cutter. It is multiple point tool having the space of the solid revolution which each the teach of each of arrangement arranged the periphery on the end of the both. The milling process is the employed on the producing the flat countered of the helical surface of the making helical groans. The cut teeth of the tooth is gear. Working principle of the milling machines. The working principle of employed in the metal removing operation milling machines. The work can be feed in vertical, longitudinal, and cross direction. Within the mounted on the workpiece, the cutter teeth remove metal from the job in the form of tip producing the desired shape. The working principle of the milling machine generalize the size of the milling machines is denoted by the dimensions, that is the length and breadth of the tables dimensions, length and breadth of the tables. Other means a specification of the machine of placing and her order to the horsepower HP or driving motor, number of spindles, speed of feed, speed of feed. This this is the table of base of the table of the machines, and this is the table is rotate, and this is the workpiece on the table for the of the workpiece is the feed of direction. This is the center point of the tools of the milling machine. This the multiple cut multiple teeth available on the cutting tools of the milling cutter. This is the milling cutter, and this is the mounted on the of the spindle of arbor. This is the tool is supported on the shaft on the cutting or the speed of the milling cutter of the rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. The workpiece also move for the support to the workpiece. In the working principle of the milling machine is this. Types of the milling machines, the column and knee type milling machines, the horizontal milling machine, and vertical milling machine, and C is the ram type milling machine. The bed type milling machine is also revised the manufacturing of fixed bed type of milling machines, and horizontal bed tie milling machines and vertical bed tie milling machines and planar type of milling machines and special purpose of milling machines. No, rot- a rotary table milling machine, table rotate, and drum time milling machine, and tracer trace controller and milling machines and thread milling machines and key way of milling machines as other scan and spar milling machine and planetary and milling machines. These are types of the planar machines in this horizontal milling machines. These are machines these machines is the further classified plane of vertical milling machines, and the plane of milling machines is the table cannot be switched off the horizontal plane, and table is may be feed of the longitudinal cross of the vertical direction on the plane milling machines and the cross of the universal meaning machines and table which root of 45 of the horizontal plane of the right left. This is the column wise of machines, the overcome of the over ram of the tools. This is the horizontal work table of the machine. This is the router or rotator, and this is the column of the machine workpiece. This is the workpiece and the machine, and this is the ground of the tools and T slot of the this is the T slot of the machine, and this is the bed of the spindle of the machine, and this is the knee of the tables and bases of this is the machine base of the bed. Okay. And other types of the machines in the column of the machine T slot. This is the table is mounted on the and a table on this is the workpiece. This is the rotating tools head of the machine stock table. This is the stock table, and this is the horizontal motion of the table is one direction and other direction. This is the feed of the this is the bed of the base of machines, and this is the move from vertical to horizontal. Both are types. Then the spindle is this is the spindle of the workpiece. Vertical milling machines. In vertical knee of the milling machines, the position of cutter and vertical. The ram types of milling machine, turned or ram type milling machines, and ram head milling machines. Types of milling machines. The bed type milling machines are completely of the hiving of the right column and knee of types of milling machines. Manufacturing of the feed bed of milling machines and horizontal bed type milling machines, vertical type of milling machines, and planar type milling machines. A special purpose of milling machines and rotary table milling machines. These high production of application of milling machine and circular circular table in the rotate about the vertical axis of the machine and drum tie milling machines. The the column of machines are adapted to the machining of two phases of the workpiece. Simultaneously is the continuous machine of circle tra- tracer and controller meaning tracer and controller meaning it reports of the complex shape like the mode of cavity and cross cam of the thread of milling machines the thread of milling machines the these machines used for the cutting thread of one thread are produced by this head of milling operation gives the better finishing and greater accuracy than the conventional or thread cutting methods. Thank you so much.